Hello, students. Let us continue with the last part of the speech of Kailash Satyarthi. Yesterday, we were discussing that Kailash Satyarthi was appealing to all the people of this, or the was appealing to the civil society about the rights of the childrens. And in today's parts, let us see what he is saying. My dear sisters and brothers, as I said, many interesting things are happening today. May I please request you to put your hand close to your heart, close to your eyes, and feel the children inside you. And now, what he is doing, this is the concluding portion of the speech now. And now, see how he is concluding the speech. He says, Ki, my dear sisters and brothers, those dignitaries were sitting there, those audience were sitting there in front of him. He is appealing to them. He says, dear sisters and brothers, as I said, many interesting things are happening today. Inside, things are happening around us, and he says many things are happening. The only thing is we must realize it. We must understand this, and that's why he is appealing to all the people. And what he says, may I request you to put your hand close to your heart. He says, every one of you do one thing. Take your hand and put near to your heart. Close your eyes and feel the children inside you. And he said that every one of us have children inside us. The only thing is we must feel that child. Understood? And when we will feel that child, definitely we will understand the problem of our children. I'm sure you can now listen to that, children. Please listen. Today I am seeing thousands of Mahatma Gandhi's, Nelson Mandela's, Martin Luther King's are calling on us. And he says that feel that children inside you. And as he told to close the eyes and keep the hand or near their heart. So he says definitely now you are feeling the children inside you. Okay. And if you are feeling that children, then I am very much sure that means if you are really aware about the rights of the children, then I am very much sure that thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, thousands of Nelson Mandelas, and thousands of Martin Luther Kings are standing in front of us. If generally we have the complaint nowadays that there is no inspiration. Nowadays the children says that we don't have inspiration, big leaders are not there who will be our inspiration. In earlier period, we know a lot of great people like Shivaji Maharaj and many such people were there who used to be the inspiration. Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, so many people were there, global leaders were there who used to be the inspiration. Abdul Kalam ji is there, so we used to call that they are our inspiration. But nowadays children are saying all over कि we don't have any inspiration, we don't understand to whom we should follow, to whom किसके जैसे होना चाहिए. We don't understand in the sense we are not seeing anyone. He says if we will give the rights of the children to the if we will give rights of the children to the children, then definitely tomorrow we will see hundreds of Nelson Mandelas, Martin Luther King, and Mahatma Gandhis would be there. Many such great people will come out from today's children. Let us democratize knowledge. Let us universalize justice together. Let us globalize compassion. And he says, let us democratize knowledge. Let us share knowledge to each and everyone. Let us take the knowledge to each and every corner of this world. Let us universalize justice, and let us give justice or send justice to every corner of this world, and let us globalize the compassion, and let us come, because there is a serious disconnect. There is a lack of compassion among the coming generation, and that is why let us globalize the compassion. I call upon you in this room and all across the world. I call for march from exploitation to education. And he says, now I am appealing to you, to all those who are sitting here and outside this hall, to the entire in this world, What I'm doing, I'm appealing to all of you for what? To march from exploitation to education. Let us march from exploitation of the children towards the education. Where exploitation is going on, let us convert that exploitation into an education of the children. I call for a march from poverty to shared prosperity. He says, I want to I want to take a march, or let us march from the poverty. Why we are forcing children for child labor? Because of the poverty. So let us take march from the poverty to a prosperity, and march from slavery to liberty. And let us take march from slavery to liberty, and march from violence to peace. And finally, the wrong thing of this world is the violence. So finally, let us march from violence to peace. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. And he says, my dear sister and brothers, let us march. Let us march from ignorance. What is ignorance? Ignorance, agyan. Okay. Yes. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Awakening is to awake, jagna. Okay. So let us march towards that, and let us march from darkness to light. Now we are in darkness, our children are in darkness, and if we will really get aware about the rights of the children, definitely we will march from this darkness towards the bright future of our students, towards light. Let us march from mortality to divinity, and let us march. And this is, let us march. Let us have a positive approach. Let us have a positive approach for the children of this world, entire world, and definitely tomorrow's world would be a better place to live if our children will get their rights. Otherwise, there is a big question then. And with this note, he ended his speech. And as I told you, in 2014 he got a Nobel Peace Prize for the working for he was working for the betterment of the children. And this was a speech, very nice speech actually. I hope all of you understood. Now workshop is there, English workshop after this. So what you have to do, day before yesterday only I told you to start doing the activities. Okay, so I hope many of you have completed. You can complete this. First one, name the following is there. The person whom Kailash Satyarthi gives the highest credit of his honor. You have to write that names. Activist Kailash, that Dhumdas, Adarsh Kishore, Iqbal Masi, these people, great personalities of the land of Buddha. Then called as Kailash, so-called daughter of Kailash Satyarthi. You have to mention that names only. Okay, you have to give the names only. For example, Malala and all. Then mention the social highlighted by mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi. Social issues are given in part 1. So you have to mention all that. For example, child labor is there, slavery is there, trafficking is there, child trafficking is there, the child marriage literacy. So many are given there. Find out and write down. Complete the diagram. One chart is given. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child should be free. That entire list is there. To be a child, to be developed, to laugh and cry, all that are given. So you have to complete that. You see, easy activities are there. Complete the following web chart. What Kailash Satyarthi appeals. You have to write down the appeal. And in this way you have to complete it. Wherever you find any kind of difficulty, either you can call me, you can send me the message, and then we can discuss this. Okay. So let us stop here for today. And you might have heard about the reduction of some of the syllabus. Okay, maybe some of your parents or your friends or from neighbors you might have come to know. Separately, we will discuss on that once we will finish this unit. Okay, whatever it is, the reduction or whatever things would be there, but still I'm going to, we will continue with the same, and we will learn all the things which are given in the textbook. Only some activities are dropped, so that activities I will tell you later. Okay, by that time, have a nice day.